Hi everyone, I'm Lauren Kane. I'm the founder of Elm Dirt, and I just wanted to show you a little bit around our website. We've got some new stuff out here that I think you guys are really gonna like. And if you want anything, feel free to let me know in the comments or email us at support@elmdirt.com and we'll try and make it happen. So right now, what we've got under our blog tab is our starter guide, which has been completely updated. With our starter guide, you're gonna scroll through and you can see a little bit about each of our products. So if you've ordered our plant juice and want to know more about our plant juice or ancient soil, bloomin' soil, worm castings, or any of our products, you definitely just click on it. So let me show you the plant juice guide right now. Here's our plant juice guide. It'll go through what it does, how to dilute it, application instructions, any plant specific usage, tips and tricks, and frequently asked questions. So if you just click on one of these, you can jump right to the section you want, and it'll give you some specific instructions on how to use it for different applications, as well as some application tips there. So let's go back to our starter guide. So we also have some plant-specific guidelines, as well as a seasonal care calendar, some frequently asked questions and troubleshooting, and a dilution calculator here. As well, you can also contact us and get some more information. So on the plant-specific guidelines, if you click on that, we've got all sorts of information from houseplants, vegetables, herbs, flowers, trees, shrubs, lawns, succulents, tropical plants, seedlings, and propagation, and just general plant care. So you can click on these and it'll go directly to the section, and you can see what you should do to take care of your, say, tomato plants, what products we recommend, as well as some special tips on how to take care of the plants themselves. So a lot of great information there. And then back on our starter guide. So this is still under the starter guide, still under our blog, still starter guide. We've got some frequently asked questions and troubleshooting tips. So here you can get some general ones about our products, about ordering and shipping and usage. We've also got some product specific instructions that can help you out and when you're using different types of products. We have some plant troubleshooting, so if you've got some issues with your plants and want to know what's happening or how to fix it, here are some tips too on different types of issues. And then some application tips as well. So if there's anything else you guys want to see on our starter guide, feel free to let me know. Comments, message us directly, or email us at support@elmdirt.com. We always want to hear from our customers, always want to know what more we can do. I also have a blog here. And so here I am actually writing these blog posts for you so you can get some more information on how to best take care of your garden and your lawn organically and why maybe organic is important for you. So definitely check those out. I've got a lot of great tips and information out there. Really, really fun stuff in there. And then I've updated a few other spots on here so you can learn about how eco-friendly we are and all the stuff that we're doing behind the scenes. So we do a lot of stuff behind the scenes and we just aren't very good at sharing it. So we want to make sure that you guys know how to get the information you guys want. Of course, we're always here to answer your questions. And I'd love to help you out even more. So the more questions you ask, the better I can answer your questions. And I want to start answering those questions directly. So leave some comments below, message us directly, and email us at support@elmdirt.com. Join our school community as well. And I will make sure that I'm personally answering some of the questions. My team is also behind the scenes answering questions. Anything you've got, I'm happy to help you out.